Good morning, children. Today, through this video, we are going to study about the role of microbes in sewage treatment and the role of microbes in production of biogas. What is sewage? Sewage is nothing but municipal wastewater. In cities and towns, every day, a large amount of wastewater is generated, and this wastewater contains maximum human excreta, organic matter, and microbes. If this sewage is discharged into the natural water bodies, what will happen? Rivers and streams, they will get polluted, and the people, those who use this polluted water, will get diseases. To avoid this, we have to purify the sewage in sewage treatment plants, and after that only they have to be discharged into the natural water bodies. Our government has installed so many STPs, sewage treatment plants, in so many cities. Here in sewage treatment plants also, the treatment of sewage is done by heterotrophic bacteria. Here also the microbes play an important role. The treatment of sewage is done in two steps. The first step is primary treatment, and the second one is secondary treatment. In primary treatment, there are two processes. First, the sewage is passed through several filters. That process is called filtration. When it passes through filters, the floating waste materials are filtered, and after that the sewage is allowed to settle down in settling tank. In settling tank, grit, small soil particles and small pebbles, they settle at the bottom, and these solids are known as primary sludge. This primary sludge is removed, and the supernatant liquid, supernatant water, sewage, is known as primary effluent, and it is taken for secondary treatment in secondary treatment plant. The secondary treatment is also known as biological treatment. Why it is called biological treatment? Because here the treatment of sewage is done by microbes, bacteria and fungi. So it is called biological treatment. Here the effluent from the primary treatment is allowed to fill in very big aeration tanks. Aeration tank, the name itself says air is pumped into the tanks. Here in aeration tank, what happens? The sewage is mechanically agitated, and then air is pumped in it. Due to the presence of air, aerobic bacteria, they grow in number in this aeration tank. They use oxygen. Along with this bacteria, fungi also, they grow. They grow and they form flocks, a mass of bacteria and the network-like filaments of fungi. These bacteria, for growing, they consume the organic matter present in the sewage. Organic matters are pollutants. So these bacteria, they use this organic matter, they remove organic matter from the sewage. And for oxidation of this sewage, organic matter, this bacteria, they use oxygen present in the sewage. So if more organic matters are present, then the bacteria will consume more oxygen. If less organic matters are present, the bacteria will use less amount of oxygen. And the amount of oxygen consumed by the bacteria to digest all the organic matters present in 1 liter of water, 1 liter of sewage is known as BOD. What is BOD? Biochemical oxygen demand. Biochemical oxygen demand. The sewage will be treated in this aeration tank till the BOD is significantly reduced. When the BOD is significantly reduced, that means more organic matters are removed from the sewage. And after that, the sewage along with the flocks are sent into the another tank. That is settling tank. Here in settling tank, the flocks of bacteria and fungi, they settle down. The solid of bacteria and fungi that is settled at the bottom is known as activated sludge. Already we studied one sludge, that is primary sludge in primary treatment step, primary sludge. Now this activated sludge. This activated sludge is sent into the next anaerobic sludge digester. The activated sludge is sent into the anaerobic sludge digester. Here in anaerobic sludge digester, anaerobic bacteria, they digest the sludge, activated sludge. While digesting, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide and methane are released. And since all these three are inflammable, they are used as biogas. This activated sludge that is digested by the anaerobic bacteria are used as manure, and the effluent is sent to water bodies. You will be astonished to know that every day millions of gallons of sewage is treated across the globe by the microbes every day. Since population is increasing day by day, more and more sewage is generated. We have STPs, but they are not at all enough to treat all the sewages. So our government is trying to install more and more STPs. The Ministry of Environment and Forest, they initiated Ganga and Yamuna Action Plan. They started to clean Ganga and Yamuna rivers. They installed so many sewage treatment plants across the banks of Ganga and Yamuna river, and only the treated sewage is discharged. Before treatment, people should not discharge the sewage into the Ganga and Yamuna river. In this way, our government is taking actions to purify Ganga and Yamuna river. And in this way, the bacteria, the microbes, they treat the sewage. Last class we studied about the role of microbes in household products, industrial products. Today we studied about the role of microbes in sewage treatment. Thank you.